Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my nighttime skincare routine, and honestly guys, hands down, this is the skincare routine that I've been following since a long time. And ये skincare routine में मैंने जो भी सारे products include किए हैं, all the products have genuinely helped my skin to recover from acne. And trust me guys, before 2 to 3 months my skin was not doing well at all. I mean बहुत सारे breakouts हो रखे थे मेरी skin में, and there is a dedicated morning and nighttime skincare routine that I've been following since that, and all the products that I've been using have genuinely helped my skin. So yeah, if you want to know more about it, then please keep on watching. And before starting the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. So yeah, having said that, without any further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so I've changed into a black colored normal t-shirt, and now I will remove my accessories and then we can start with the skincare routine. And guys, I cannot even stress enough on how important nighttime skincare routine is, because nighttime is the time when your skin and your body gets to relax and rejuvenate itself in a way, because रात को सोते वक्त your skin relaxes itself so much, and that is when your skin cells will be able to repair itself. So when you do a nighttime skincare routine properly, then it will help your skin to recover in a better way. So yeah, you should always follow a nighttime skincare routine. And let me tie my hair first and then we can continue talking. Okay, I forgot the rubber band. This has to happen with me every single time. मतलब मैं ना जब भी हेयर कोम करने बैठती हूँ, I forget the rubber band every single time. I don't know, is it just me or this happens to every girl? So yeah, you give a high five in the comments if you can relate to me. So the first step to my nighttime skincare routine is to remove my makeup if I have applied makeup. And since today I've applied makeup, so let us start with removing the makeup. And the makeup remover that I'm using is the good old Garnier Micellar Water. And आई डोंट नो, मैंने इसके 3 बॉटल्स खत्म किए या 4 बॉटल्स खत्म किए. आई लव इट वेरी मच, इट सूट्स माई स्किन. तो मुझे ऐसा दूसरा प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं कर रहा है, बिकॉज दिस इज अफोर्डेबल, दिस डज द जॉब एंड इट सूट्स माई स्किन. सो आई डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एल्स फ्रॉम अ मेकअप रिमूवर. सो या, आई स्टार्ट विथ क्लेंजिंग माई मेकअप विथ दिस वन. आई टेक सम कॉटन ऑन माई हैंड, take some makeup remover as well. This is about to get over and I have to order a new one. This feels so satisfying. Can you see this? So much of makeup coming out of my face. Even on the days when you're feeling very lazy और आपको बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं कर रहा है कि आप you get up and wash your face and do the whole skincare routine, on those days also I feel that you should at least cleanse your face with a makeup remover, because that will remove the dirt and do the job. और ये ना बहुत ही rarely कर सकते हो. Otherwise on daily basis you should follow a nighttime skincare routine. So yeah, so doing this will just make sure that there's no dirt or any kind of oil residue on your face. So rather than doing nothing at all, doing something is always beneficial. So yeah, this is literally so satisfying. Now that almost all the makeup is off of my face, I will go ahead and wash my face. And for washing my face, I will use the Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash, and it is suitable for all the skin types. So yeah, I'll wash my face with this face wash and be back. Okay, so now that I've washed my face, I will use my toner, and this is the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. Love this one. Has been working really well for me. And yeah, I will take some on my hand, rub it like this between my palms and just tap it on my face. This smells so good. I will let it absorb in my skin and then we will move on to the next step. But before moving on to the next step, I really want to show you this one product that I have been using. Okay, so this is the product that I was talking about. These are acne or pimple patches, and this is from a brand known as Urban Yog. I got this from Amazon. I'll make sure to link all the products in the description box below. So this contains hydrocolloid in it, and it is supposed to just absorb all the gunk from your pimple. Okay, so from inside, this is how it looks like. You get so many acne patches like this, and when you remove the upper covering, this is how the acne patches look like. You get two sizes. One is in the bigger size and the other one is a little bit smaller size. So whenever you have any active acne on your face, you just have to peel one of this and apply it on the point where you're having active acne. And usually मैं इसको रात में apply करती हूँ and next morning when I get up I just remove it. Trust me, this does work. And as you can see, मैंने बहुत सारे acne patches use कर लिए हैं इसमें से, and this comes with 36 patches, out of which 12 pieces are big one and 24 pieces are the small ones that you can see right here. Okay, this retails for 599 rupees, but मुझे ये अभी पता चला है कि इसके MRP 599 rupees है, because on Amazon you always find it on sale. I got it for around 300 rupees. I will mention the exact price somewhere here on the screen. So yeah, you can totally give it a shot if you have acne or pimple prone skin, and it really works. Okay, your pimple is gonna go in like 2 to 3 days and you are gonna love it. If you're someone who's having pimple prone skin, do try these patches out. They are highly recommended. I love this one. And yeah, now that my toner has been absorbed in my skin completely, I will go ahead and use this serum. This is the Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Serum, and salicylic acid is supposed to be very good for people with oily skin type. It is supposed to control the oil production on your face, and it will also help in removing the blackheads that you have in your face because it contains AHA as well. So salicylic acid is an active ingredient and you need to be careful while using any active ingredient on your face. So I really wanted to include salicylic acid in my skincare routine. I mean, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि यही मिनिमलिस्ट का salicylic acid खरीदना चाहिए. I just feel that salicylic acid is a really good ingredient to include in your skincare routine. आप इसको आप कोई भी moisturizer खरीद सकते हो that has salicylic acid in it. You can buy a face wash that contains salicylic acid in it, but the proportion of salicylic acid should be 1 or 2% maximum. It should not be more than 2%. So yeah, because it is an active ingredient, and I use this at night time every single day, and I don't use it in daytime because it's not that it is not recommended to use it in daytime, but it's just that it contains an active ingredient, and when your skin gets exposed to the sunlight, when you're wearing some active ingredient on your skin, it might create rashes. So it is advisable to use a thick layer of sunscreen on top of this. But if you ask me, I would recommend you to not use it in daytime because this product retails for 549 rupees and I think I got for 520 rupees. Got it from purple.com. So मुझे ना ये इतना expensive product I wanted to sit on my face for as much long as possible. I don't want to waste this at all. So if you ask me, I would recommend you to use it only at night, but if you want to use it in the morning, you can go ahead and use it in the morning as well. And then make sure to use a thick layer of sunscreen on top of that. And if you are planning to buy a good sunscreen under 500 rupees, that is on a budget, then I have made a video on it and it looks something like this. You can totally go ahead and give it a watch. मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा research करके वो video बनाया है. So please do give it a watch if you have not watched that. So for now, let's go ahead and use this serum. Okay, I will just use 1 drop each on both the cheeks and then a little bit on my T-zone, and that is it. I have not used more than 5 drops of this, and I will just simply massage it on my skin. It is not at all heavy. I mean, the consistency is very watery, so it is perfect for people with oily skin type. It absorbs very quickly in your skin. Now it is very important to top your salicylic acid with some kind of moisturizer, because salicylic acid is supposed to suck oils out of your face, so you need to apply a thin layer of moisturizer on top of that. So for today I will use my favorite Pond's Super Light Moisturizer, and it contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Okay, so over here hyaluronic acid is not the active ingredient, it is just present in a very little amount, so you're not supposed to use 2 active ingredients at a time on your face. So basically, if you're using any active ingredients, you cannot mix up 2 active ingredients and then apply it on your skin. So hyaluronic acid is supposed to give moisture in your skin, and so I guess it is a very good idea to use hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid together, provided the hyaluronic acid is not actively present in the product that you're using. I love this moisturizer. By this time, I guess all of you must be knowing that I love this moisturizer, and I don't use an eye cream separately, but I just moisturize my eyes with the moisturizer that I'm having right now. So yeah, now that my moisturizer is nicely absorbed in my skin, I will go ahead and use a lip balm on my lips. Okay, so that I complete my nighttime skincare routine, and this is what my skin looks like up close. There's no makeup, no filter, nothing on my face, and I'm loving the way my skin has been behaving. I mean, I really love this. If you're someone who is wanting to invest in some products that are actually gonna work for you, then don't even think once before using these products. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, and अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, stay home and stay safe.